Finish what you start. Yes. Anything good that you find your hands on doing, make sure that you are able to maintain the energy, make sure that you are able to maintain the momentum and finish doing it. Because that is by far the most guaranteed way of getting the best out of anything that we find our hands on doing. You see, it is not about doing so many things and you not being able to finish them, but then it is about you doing some few things, sticking to them and finishing them. That is where you realize the best out of it. Yes. So I understand that at the start of life, randomness rules. You would have to try so many things, try this, try that, I understand. But then in your randomness selection, make sure that you identify a worthy cause that is worth, spending much of your time, dedicating most of your resources towards perfecting it. You understand? Don't always be jack of all trades and master of none. You understand? We don't get paid for starting something, but then we get the best out of it when we are able to finish it. Yes, that is the secret. So if you would critically examine your life, you would notice that there have been a lot of incomplete works, there are a lot of incomplete projects. And that is why we are not getting the best out of it. If you would for once focus on something that you are starting, that I'm starting this thing and I'm stopping at nothing until I've been able to finish it, you would realize that you get the best out of it. We don't get rewarded, we don't get paid for just starting something. You need to go back to finish that conversation. You need to go back to finish that project. You need to go back and finish that business, because it is until you have finished that you will reap the full benefits. And that is the secret. There is no blueprint of success without having to finish a certain line of activities. No matter what someone will promise you, that if you start this business, it will work out. If you start this work, it is a good to go. Trust me. It doesn't matter how big you start. If you're not able to kind of match up certain requirements, you will fail. That is the truth. So probably you are doing something, some little things, and that is all you need. Just make sure that you finish it. When you finish it, you get something better out of it. The people that we see, we admire, they didn't just start like that. They didn't start off the roof. They started small, but they were patient to work things throughout. And they finished certain things, so they progressed to certain stage. That is life. You need to start something, you need to finish it so that you move on to something else. But then if you don't finish what you start, you will not get the best. That is the whole idea. So make sure that, whatever that you are doing, anything good, make sure that you stick to it. Make sure that you maintain the momentum. Make sure that you find strength to finish it. Because I believe that if you are able to finish it, you will get the best of results out of it. Yes, you will get the best out if you are able to finish it. You see, let's take for instance, if you are cooking, you don't start eating until the food is well cooked, until the food is ready. You get the best taste out of the food you prepare when it is well cooked. That is the simplest scenario I can give you. Think about it. You don't need to be doing so many things. Just the few things that you are doing, just concentrate on them and finish doing them, and I'll see you at the top. My name is Richard, and thank you for connecting with me.